ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं, मैं उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि इन्होंने ये हर साल की भांति इस साल भी वो अटल जी की स्मृति में एक इतना बड़ा प्रोग्राम रखते हैं और आज भी उसी के लिए मुझे आमंत्रित किया गया है। मैं अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को स्कूल के टाइम से मैं जाना हूँ। वाजपेयी जी जिस टाइम में वो आपातकालीन की स्थिति में, आपातकालीन जब लागू हुआ था देश में, उस टाइम में यह जेल में रहकर इन्होंने किताब लिखा था।
I am an MD Gynac from Mumbai, and also I have done my super specialization in IVF and infertility. I've done my super specialization from London and Bristol. Today I am here to achieve the award for the best IVF and fertility specialist in India. Basically, we have an IVF center in the name of God's Grace IVF and Fertility Center. This center specializes in the field of infertility. It provides and helps those couples who are unable to conceive.
And a proud member of the Moors Federation of India, the gateway of the northeast of India, Guwahati I am belonging. I am deeply honored and grateful to express my sincere thanks to behalf of Diksha Transport Corporation, Package Motors Private Limited.
Hello everyone. Thanks to the Top Notch Foundation giving me the opportunity to speak on the prestigious dais in Vigyan Bhavan. I stand here today with a deep sense of gratitude and profound realization that I have been given opportunity to speak for 2 minutes.
I have recently, 2 months back, I have launched a logo in PSG House, New Delhi, and now I got an opportunity to launch my video, company video, which is all about digital marketing, and it's like digital market buzz.
And people come to me when they are blocked, when they are directionless, when they can't find. Going to help them to align with a higher purpose, and I've done over 20,000 readings up until now and changed over 10 million lives. Are you doing it out of love, or are you doing it out of fear? So if you're doing it out of fear, which is that someone has told you, if you don't do this, then this is going to happen in your life. Or if you don't perform a vrat or a fast or a chalya, you're going to lose your wealth or health or relationships.
I wanted to start this school just mainly, I love kids and I always had the passion for teaching. Is to empower the children to explore, discover and grow in a safe, inclusive and a supportive setting. We believe in laying a strong foundation for every child, preparing them for a promising future.
My name is Dr. Satya Vadlamani and I am the Chairperson and Managing Director of Murli Krishna Pharma Private Limited. I am first of all thankful to the foundation for giving me an award as the most innovative business person in the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you very much for that.
Heyam Dukham Anagatam. The pain which has not yet come can be avoided. Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Pada 2, Shlok 16. And this is possible through the various divine knowledges, one of them being Vastu Shastra. I am a Vastu consultant and I am here to receive the award as the best Vedic Vastu consultant and geopathologist.
So myself Manoranjan Mohanty, and I am a chartered accountant and also doctorate in finance. So I am the chairman of ATD Group and we are running one NGO that is called Samudayak Vikas Samiti, and we are doing it since 1999 and morely focused on education to underprivileged throughout the country.
Awards, ladies and gentlemen, the Lifetime Achievement Award for Outstanding Contribution in Social Welfare, and the award goes to Dr. Anil Kumar. Most Innovative Digital Solution Company in Delhi NCR goes to CIPL Corporate Infotech Private Limited, Mr. Vinod Kumar, MD and CEO. Most Dynamic Woman Leader of the Year, Dr. Shruti Sharma. CEO Vrindavan Group of Institution, Dr. Shruti Sharma. Best user-friendly website, funnels and post builder platform in India goes to Flexi Funnels, Mr. Saurabh Bhatnagar, co-founder, director and CEO of Flexi Funnels, to be on stage, please. Our next award is Most Iconic Digital Marketer of the Year, Mr. Jahid Ahmed. Our next award is Most Inspiring Vedic Vastu Expert and Geopathologist of the Year, Dr. Jayashree Om. Best IVF and Fertility Specialist in India, Dr. Roshi Satija. Most Trusted Preschool with Innovative Teaching in South India, Curious Little Minds International Preschool, Ms. Purnima Subramanian, founder. So please proceed. Spiritual Leader and Healer of the Year, Master Dr. Vani Kabir. Most Innovative Residential and Commercial Developer in Punjab goes to AGI Infra Limited, Dr. Balwinder Singh Sandha, Chief Financial Officer. Up next is Most Trusted Packer and Mover Company in India goes to Diksha Transport Corporation Packers and Movers Private Limited, Mr. Praveen Kumar Sharma, Chairman and Managing Director. Most Inspiring Personality in Legal Empowerment and Nation Building in India, and it goes to Dr. Manoj Kumar, Founder and Managing Partner, Hammurabi and Solomon Partners. Most Innovative Business Consultant and Business Coach in India, Mr. Rahul Malodia. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Most Trusted Dietitian with Excellent Work Record of the Year goes to Dietitian Kajal Agarwal. Our next award is Most Innovative Aluminium Formwork Framework System Provider in India, and the award goes to iForm Aluminium and Design LLP, Mr. Venkatesh. Most Trusted Cargo Service Provider in India goes to Northern Cargo Service, JIS Group, Mr. Haranjeet Singh, Managing Director. India's Most Trusted Plaster of Paris Manufacturer and Supplier of the Year goes to Sakarni Plaster India Private Limited, Dr. Ashok Gupta, Chairman, Sakarni Group. Artificial Intelligence Icon for Healthcare and Education Excellence goes to Colonel Dr. Sunil Jain. Most Trusted School Educational Consultant in India goes to the School Mentors, Ms. Saberi Basu. Most Trusted Bags Manufacturer in North India goes to Idea Stormers, Mr. Gaurav Grover from Idea Stormers. Outstanding Contribution in Footwear Industry and Nation Building, and the award goes to Evertrade India, Mr. Niren Anand, founder, to please join us on stage. Most Innovative Architect and Developers of the Year, Nivea Group, Architect Virender Sehrawat. Most Trusted EV Financing Company of the Year, RevFin Service Private Limited, Mr. Sameer Agarwal. Up next, Most Inspiring Personality in Healthcare and Nation Building, Mr. Balakumar Sivan. Up next, Best Performer in Indian Aviation Training Sector, Aqui Air Training Organization Private Limited, Captain Sachin Bane, Managing Director. Best Manufacturer Supplier of PVC Pipes in India goes to Mittal Tube Company, Mr. Mahip Mittal, CEO Mittal Tube Company, Howrah. Iconic personality in healthcare sector, Dr. Preeti Mangesh Deshmukh. Best Sustainable Timber Management Company in India, Shivangi Industries. Mr. Abhishek Bajaj, Director, Shivangi Industries. Best Design and Build Firm in Corporate and Commercial Interiors, Studio XP Management Consultants Private Limited, Ms. Kohli Puri, Director, Studio XP. Exceptional contribution to electro-homeopathy in animal nutrition and human herbal wellness in India goes to UK German Pharmaceuticals, Mr. Upkar Kansal, Managing Director. Outstanding contribution in nation building goes to Clean India Ventures Private Limited, Mr. Abhishek Gupta. Most Innovative Business Leader of the Year goes to Mr. Vinkesh Gulati. Most Innovative Leader in Pharmaceutical Business and Global Marketing goes to Dr. Satya Ramani Vidya Lamani, Chairperson and Managing Director. Most Trusted Health and Fitness Gym Chain in Gujarat goes to SFW, the Gym Platinum, Mr. Manoj Rajput, Director, SFW. Most Trusted Women University in North India goes to Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Mr. Vedant Garg, Advisor and CEO, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Moving forward to Strategic Brilliance Award, Women Shaping the Future of Digital, goes to Ms. Kurapati Nilima. Global Business Leader of the Year, Mr. Sheshadri Wangla. Most Inspiring Personality for Underprivileged and Nation Building goes to Dr. Manoranjan Mohanty. Youngest Book Reviewers goes to Akriti Vij and Aradhya Vij. Most Innovative Construction Material Manufacturer and Supplier of the Year goes to Shubham Bricks Industries, Mr. Vijay Jetalia. Most Innovative and Dynamic Business Consultant of the Year, Mr. Anil Goyal. Next is Outstanding Contribution in Healthcare Management, Dr. Sarfaraz Ahmed. Best Real Estate Consultants in India goes to Reality Assistant. Most Emerging Procurement Officer of the Year goes to Ms. Anita Chaudhary. Moving forward to the best primordial Vastu expert in India goes to Mr. Sanjayom CV Kamalia. The National Medal of Technology and Innovation goes to Roton Consultancy Private Limited, Mr. Amit Agarwal, CEO, and Mr. Nirmal Dudi, COO. Most Trusted Hotel Logs Hospitality Products Manufacturing Brand in India goes to Test Brand by Techno Electro Solutions Private Limited, Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, Founder, MD and CEO. Most Innovative Women Personality with Excellent Work Record of the Year, Ms. Dimple Ranawat. Most Innovative Digital Marketing Agency with Excellence Customer Satisfaction in Delhi NCR goes to Digital Growth Marketing Technology, Mr. Pradeep Jha. Most Trusted Vastu Consultant of South India, Ms. Anjali P. Jain. Most Trusted Natural Honey and Organic Food Products Company of the Year, Mr. Prateek Goda. Outstanding Contribution in Biotechnology and Life Science Company of the Year, Next Gen Life Sciences Private Limited, Dr. Nagma.
मैं हूँ डॉक्टर रोशी सतीजा। मैं एक फर्टिलिटी और आईवीएफ स्पेशलिस्ट हूँ। जो लोग निसंतानता से जूझ रहे हैं उनको मैं पेरेंटहुड एक्सपीरियंस करने का सौभाग्य देती हूँ। मैं चाहूँगी और ज़्यादा लोग और एजुकेशन, महिलाओं में और ज़्यादा जागरूकता आनी चाहिए, जिससे और लोग आगे बढ़े और महिलाएं एक दूसरी महिला को हेल्प करें।
अभी उनके अटल मिशन के कार्यक्रम में G20 जैसे है स्टार्टअप 20 में मैं भी पार्टिसिपेंट हूँ, ग्लोबल लीडर हूँ। मैं लंदन में रहता हूँ और ऑफिस कारोबार सब 20 कंट्रीज़ में है और वर्कफोर्स सॉल्यूशंस और आल्सो स्टार्टअप्स के लिए कुछ हम कर रहे हैं कॉल्ड इंडियन स्टार्टअप फाउंडेशन।
Today we have gotten the award as the youngest book reviewers in India. We have gotten this award because of our channel Book Attack. It is a channel where we review all kinds of books for people who want to know about it.
हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है, हमें ये अवार्ड मिला है। मोटिवेशन से आपको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन आपको एक अवार्ड मिलने से एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है। मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम हम जे आपको पूरा आश्वासन देते हैं कि हम आपके सामग्री को समय पर और सुरक्षित जैसे हर टाइम पहुंचाते थे इस टाइम भी पहुंचाएंगे। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच।
जी, ये इनकी सर्च एंड जो कमिटी है इन्होंने चयन किया और लीगल एम्पावरमेंट एंड नेशन बिल्डिंग के लिए मुझे आज सम्मान दिया गया है। काफ़ी काम करते आए हैं काफ़ी अरसे से। आई एम श्योर सर्च कमेटी को कुछ उसमें नज़र आया होगा, ऐसा वर्थ इट है।
और ये जो अटल जी का नाम से जिन्होंने अवार्ड शुरू किया है और जिन्होंने अपने अपने फील्ड में एक्सेल किया है उनको इन्होंने सेलेक्ट किया है। और हमारा जो फील्ड है वो रियल एस्टेट का है। हम AGI इंफ्रा लिमिटेड से हैं, ये बहुत हमारे ये CFO हैं, मैं जनरल मैनेजर हूँ।
My good name is Dr. Vanshika Kansal from UK German Pharmaceutical. फर्स्टली मैं थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी टॉप नॉच फाउंडेशन का। UK जर्मन फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो ओनली इलेक्ट्रो होम्योपैथी पे काम कर रही है।
देखिए, मेरा जो क्राइटेरिया है इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन इन हेल्थ केयर मैनेजमेंट। और हम काम तो हमेशा करते हैं, बट काम को रिकग्नाइज करना और उसको सम्मान देना बड़ी बात है। तो ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतने बड़े फाउंडेशन और इतने बड़े जो व्यक्ति हैं अटल साहब, इनके नाम का अवार्ड मिलना अपने आप में एक सम्मान है।
जिसका बेसिकली आप देख सकते हो द मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड वास्तु कंसल्टेंट इन साउथ इंडिया। मैं लोगों की सेवा करती हूँ, उनका जो भी समस्या होता है उनका समाधान करती हूँ, यही मेरा काम है। इसके अलावा मैं न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट भी हूँ और मेटाफिजिक्स रिसर्चर भी हूँ।
फीलिंग ब्लेस्ड एंड वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड दिस इज़ फॉर माई पीपल। जिन लोगों ने मुझे मेरे काम के लिए चूज़ किया, इतने सारे लोग हैं जो हर दिन मेरी क्लास में आके बैठते हैं, उनका जो ट्रस्ट है, उनका जो फेथ है मेरे काम में।
Oh, it's a wonderful feeling. Having an award of such a pride is an honor in itself.
This is a privilege to receive Atal Samman Puruskar in Delhi. This is the Kids Chopal is the digital platform for the K-12 kids.
So we are from Fleximanals. ये एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसको कि यूज़ करके कोई भी पर्सन अपनी वेबसाइट बना सकता है। सो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि पिछले 1.5 साल में जब हमने लॉन्च करा है, हम तकरीबन 10,000 से ज़्यादा लोगों को, बिजनेसेस को सपोर्ट कर चुके हैं। तो आई गेस बाय हेल्पिंग पीपल वी आर एबल टू कम ओवर हियर।
So first of all, I would like to thank our organizing committee for acknowledging our work, and I'm extremely honored to get the award in the name of our Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji.
We are founder of the Nivea Group, Nina Thorat and architect Virendra Sehrawat. हम लोग मुंबई से बिलोंग करते हैं और हमें जो अवार्ड मिला है वो मोस्ट इनोवेटिव ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड डेवलपर्स के लिए मिला है।
And I am the founder and managing director of Studio XP Management Consultants Private Limited. Design and build firm. We are into corporate and commercial interiors.
Myself, Dr. Preeti Mangesh Deshmukh. I am greatly honored today to receive Iconic Personality in the Healthcare Sector Award at Atal Achievement Awards at Vigyan Bhavan on 19th December 2023, that is today.
बेस्ट डिजिटल कंपनी के कैटेगरी में अवार्ड मिला है दिल्ली NCR में। और हम लोग
गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के लिए पिछले 16 साल से काम कर रहे हैं।
Yeah, myself Kurapati Nilima. I'm from Hyderabad and I have achieved almost, this is the 9th award which I'm getting here in Top Notch as a brilliant and strategic woman shaping the future of digital.
I fondly remember Bharat Ratna Atal ji with his poetry, that is Geet Naya Gata Hu Main. And I have been awarded with the Artificial Intelligence Icon Award.
I'm thrilled to win Atal Achievement Awards 2023. Our success is deep rooted to innovation, consumer centricity and deep tech, and that's why we are surpassing possibilities.
अवार्ड करने से क्या होता है, जब आपको प्रोत्साहन मिलता है किसी की तरफ से या कोई बड़ा व्यक्ति या बड़ी समाज आपको मंच मिलता है और वहाँ पे आपको अवार्ड दिया जाता है, तो आपको लगता है, लगन लगती है कि अच्छा मुझे इतने का अवार्ड मिला, तो एक आगे बढ़ने की और प्रेरणा जगती है।
अगर आप हमारा साथ दे तो हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद